Who's you? I'm Chief Dan King, President of the Red Lake Nation College. Miigwech for visiting us today for a quick virtual tour of our main campus located in beautiful Red Lake, Minnesota. We are a great place to start your educational journey. Enjoy your visit and feel free to contact us for more information.
Madwewe.